Hello everyone, welcome to this lesson. In this lesson, I'm gonna test you by giving you a few challenges that you need to complete for the rotate tool. So without any further ado, let's get straight into it. As you can see, I'm in a new project. Your first challenge is to rotate the cube in the x-axis continuously. I'm gonna give you 10 seconds to do that. 10 seconds is done. Did you do it? Great job if you did. And even if you didn't, I'm gonna show you how to do that right now. So the way to do that is, first you need to select your cube and then go to the rotate tool in the toolbar. So go to over here and then you can see rotate tool, right? Just click on that. Click on this rotate tool. Now what was the last step? Rotating it in the x-axis continuously. So let's do that. So the x-axis is highlighted with a red line. So now just rotate and you can see it is rotating like that. It's rotating like that, right? Just rotate as much as you want and then just click away to stop it. And you can see now it has stopped rotating because we clicked away from it. So if you did this challenge, give yourself a pat in the back for that amazing work. It is really good. Keep up the good work. The second challenge that you need to do is you need to rotate the cube 50 degrees in the x-axis and 90 degrees in the y-axis. I'm gonna give you 10 seconds to do that. 10 seconds is done. Did you do it? Great job if you did, and even if you didn't, I'm gonna show you how to do that right now. So now over here, first you need to select the cube. I have selected it. Yeah, it is indicated by this orange line over here. You can see that orange line. Now we need to change the rotation of it. So just go to the properties over here, properties of the cube, and change the rotation. You can see rotation in the x, y and z. Okay, so in the x over here, let's make it, what was it? Do you remember? It was 50. So let's make it 50. And in the y, what was it? It was 90. So let's make it about 90. And now you can see the cube has been rotated 50 in the x and 90 in the y. That looks really cool, right? If you did this, give yourself a pat in the back for that amazing work. It is really good. Keep up the good work. The third and final challenge that you need to do is you need to rotate the cube 80 in the x-axis, z-axis. You need to rotate it by 120 degrees. I'm gonna give you 10 seconds to do that. 10 seconds is done. Did you do it? Great job if you did. And even if you didn't, I'm going to show you how to do that. So first you need to select the cube in the 3D viewport. So just select it and it's indicated that you selected it by it having that orange line around it. In the properties, just change it to, in the rotation, just change the x to 80 and y to 120. You can see now the cube is rotated like that. It's like that 3D effect, right? That looks really cool. The 3D cube looks really cool. It has been rotated a lot and that's why it looks really cool over here, right? That's really cool. Yeah, so cool. So if you did this, give yourself a pat in the back for that great and amazing work. It's really good. You know that? Keep up the good work. So that's it for this lesson. I'll see you in my next lesson.